Hey everybody, my name is RJ Matthews. I'm the Chief Financial Officer here for the BeMore complex. The BeMore complex is a community facility located here in southern Utah. We have a number of different businesses here in the complex. We all focus around active living and self-improvement. Nets on Fire is a basketball training facility here with 4 basketball courts. They host a number of teams. We have the Ignited Basketball Club. We host tournaments and leagues where attendance can grow into the thousands. We also have here in the complex a skating facility called the Rink, where hundreds of people come to skate and have fun with their friends and family. We have the Grip Ninja, Champion All-Star Cheer, Intermountain Sports Performance, and soon we'll be home to a physical therapist. All of these companies call the BeMore complex home. As the patrons of these businesses come in, they expect the internet to work and to work well. The businesses themselves rely on the shared network infrastructure to run their businesses and collect payments. With previous network solutions we've tried here in the complex, we were seeing pretty consistent complaints about the reliability and performance, especially on those busy tournament weekends. Any performance or reliability would literally disappear. We decided to move to Alta Labs and have been so thrilled with the results. We saw immediate improvement in coverage, performance, and reliability. We are now able to support the thousands of visitors the BeMore complex is seeing on those busy tournament weekends. We love AltaPass, and as you can imagine, with as many businesses that are within the complex and all needing their own primary and guest networks, it would create a bit of a mess. With AltaPass, we're able to keep it simple, straightforward, and secure for everyone. Most recently, we installed their new Route 10 security and routing device, as our previous solution was causing some issue on music streaming and was also not able to meet some of our security needs. It has since solved those issues and has been a great solution for the BeMore complex.